Good morning, everyone. Today we will deal with self analysis, the first chapter in the syllabus. It is also called as Know Thyself or Self Discovery. As you know, that we don't believe that we can grow more, we will have a development, a self development. We did not take any steps to fulfill the goal. So, a self analysis will help you to discover yourself. It is a medium to develop your personality. We did not know that we can grow more and more if we act accordingly, and this self analysis will help you to develop your personality. What Mahatma Gandhi said is that the only tyrant I accept in this world is the still voice within. It means that I am the tyrant. I am the tyrant means you are the whole and you should listen its voice. Means man ki baat. Means you should understand what your heart or brain says and you act accordingly. So let's see what is self analysis or know thyself or a self discovery. Introduction. Know thyself, or you can read as a self analysis, is a term coined by the great Greek philosopher Socrates, meaning know yourself. Socrates. So, who is Socrates? He was a Greek philosopher and he has that habit to ask questions to everyone. He throws question as if he wants to know more. Let's take an example. What's your name? Why did your father give this uh, to you this name? What is the meaning of it? This meaning is related to your personality. So these questions, he wants to seek answers of his questions, and when he get all the answers, he improves his knowledge. It means Socrates is a great Greek philosopher. He has habit to ask questions to everyone, or sometimes himself also. So knowing yourself is a lifelong process, and you should understand that when you are in your 10th standard, you have a different personality, a different approach to your life. Now see, now you are in second year. Now compare yourself when you are studying in 10th class. You will see that a drastic change in your personality in your life. So self analysis means it takes time to understand your life, your goal, or sometimes to know yourself. So knowing yourself is a lifelong process. You need to remove all of the multiple personalities that you put on you for different people and at different times. You need to get down to the core of your essence, and then you need to get rid of your own false self image and delusions. See, we have a different approaches towards different people. It means you act different in your home, and you act differently outside the home or house. So you have to go deeper and deeper in your heart to find your essence, to find your core. It means your capabilities, your qualities. You should find those qualities, and then you need to get rid of your own false self images and delusions. It means whatever bad in your life, you should remove it. Let me give one a fine example. If you have a goal, if you have a goal, you will have to do what you will have to do. You have to ask yourself that I will achieve this goal within 2 or 4 years, and if not, then I will remove. I will not have that goal in my life. Then, if you have a goal that I will achieve this goal within a 1 month, I can do that. I will achieve that goal within a month. So, is it possible? No. It means you have to decide your goal, you have to decide a time span. It should not be near to the future. Suppose you want to build a house within 1 month. Is it possible? A posh bungalow? No, it is not possible. So it is a lofty goal. It's a false image of yourself. A delusion. Delusion means a भ्रामक वाईट असा विचार. Sorry, false images. Now you must live your lives in search of identifying your true self. It means that you should find yourself, a true self. Otherwise, you won't become a successful man. In your lifetime, you will understand that, yeah, I have achieved this after that time or after that period, from that period. म्हणजे काय की आपण एखादी गोष्ट ठरवतो की मला हे बनायचं आहे, मला ते बनायचं आहे. मग काही काही गोल, काही काही गोष्टी अशा असतात की त्या खूप लॉफ्टी असतात. लॉफ्टी म्हणजे काय? एक आपल्या मनामध्ये कल्पना येते की मी ही गोष्ट करून टाकवेन वेळेच्या अगोदर. पण तसं शक्य होत नाही. समजा तुम्ही आज ठरवलं मला सीए बनायचं आहे. सीए तुम्ही एका महिन्यात, 2 महिन्यात, 3 महिन्यात बनवू शकत नाही. त्याला कमीत कमी जास्तीत जास्त 3-4 वर्ष लागतील. सो इट इज अ लॉफ्टी गोल. आणि ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःच्या शोधात असता, स्वतःच्या खरेपणाच्या शोधात असता, त्यावेळेस तो वेळ तिथे तुम्हाला लागतो. सो इट मीन्स यू मस्ट लिव्ह युअर लाईफ इन सर्च ऑफ आयडेंटिफाईंग युअर ट्रू सेल्फ. तुमची स्वतःची ओळख पटण्यासाठी तुम्हाला तिथं झगडावं लागेल, जगावं लागेल. You may not be able to know the full well of yourself. You may not be able to know full well of yourself. So why this is so? Saints, saint means संत म्हटलं तर चालेल. Saints, they worship God to know their self, to know the God. And they understand that I know very little. And they worship again and again and again. It means their tapacharya. You can say that. So you may not be able to know the full well of yourself. तुम्ही स्वतःला पूर्णपणे कधीच जाणून घेऊ शकत नाही. but still it is possible to know it to a greater extent by knowing yourself, your strength, your weaknesses, fears, and so on. म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमची ताकद ओळखू शकता, तुमचे विकनेसेस ओळखू शकता, तुमची भीती ओळखू शकता. And when you came across these things, you will understand yourself. But you will not completely understand yourself or your true self. Who have to remove our weaknesses and strengthen our strength or qualities. We should not afraid of fears of your own mind. See, some people have phobia. Phobia means एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दलची भीती. म्हणजे काय, एखाद्याला पाण्याची भीती वाटत असेल, एखाद्याला उंच ठिकाणी गेल्यानंतर भीती वाटत असेल. So they can tackle their fear. It's a psychological phobia means a psychological disease. So if they act accordingly, if they take treatment, they can remove their phobia, fear. So your fear became your strength. Again, to know oneself is to know one's true identity. Your personalities are made up of many facets that you pick up and reflect from your experience. As I said, that you behave differently outside the home, and when you are home, you act differently. So this is the different types of personality within yourself. Sometimes they are strong and cover the real you. Now, as you know, that you hide something from your family, from your friend. So this is what it means. You want to cover your identity. You don't want to reveal your true self to your family also and to your friend also. I don't think so. It is wrong or right to cover your real you, but you should open up if it has bad things. Now, how you manage your life, guide others, take charge, perform, and behave in relationship really depends on how effectively you use your strength and identity, your weaknesses, which you will discover when you truly know yourself. When you manage your life, you will understand that I have to take this path. I can guide others. I can be a charge of something, and I can maintain my relationship in a healthy manner by using my strength, and identify your weaknesses, which will discover when you do know yourself. So when you understand your weaknesses, you will act accordingly and you will remove your weaknesses. So knowing yourself is a different thing. It takes time, a lifelong time, and when you get there, you will transform yourself. So your true self is there inside your heart or brain. Corporate life has become complex. You need to work with people of different religion, language, and culture. Therefore, to understand others, first you need to understand yourself. It is impossible to understand others unless a person has understood himself or herself. So, there is one proverb. It is in Sanskrit. Pinde pinde matir bhinna. It means our pind means our brain is different from anyone. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाचं जे मेंदू ब्रेन जे विचार करण्याची पद्धती आहे प्रत्येकापेक्षा वेगवेगळी आहे. प्रत्येक जण वेगवेगळा आहे. प्रत्येकाचा स्वभाव वेगळा आहे. प्रत्येकाची जगण्याची लाईफस्टाईल वेगळी आहे. Now, here what it says, corporate life has become complex. You need to work, you need to work with people of different religion, language and culture. वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणून आलेली लोक प्लेस रिजन मीन्स प्लेसेस धर्म असेल तिथे वेगवेगळ्या लोकांचा वेगवेगळा धर्म असेल भाषा अँड कल्चर कल्चर इज अ डिफरंट फॅक्टर लेट मी गिव्ह यू वन एक्झाम्पल I have some Iranian friends, and what they do when they eating their food, they left behind some food. Let's take an example of 100%. If they have 100% food in their plate, they eat 70 or 80%, and they left behind 20 or 30%. I asked why this is so. In their culture they said if you eat full means if you finish everything in your plate it means you are greedy. समजते मी काय म्हणतोय की ते इराकची लोक जे काही म्हणतात हे एक माझ्या मित्राने सांगितलं होतं ते काय करतात त्यांच्या प्लेट मधील फक्त काही प्रमाण म्हणजे 100% जर आपण तो रेशिओ पकडला तर 70-80% ते खातात 20-30% ते तसंच ते ताटात सोडतात. नाव लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अवर इंडियन कल्चर. अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म आहे असं आपण म्हणतो. म्हणजे जे काही ताटात आहे ते पूर्ण आपण खातो. मागं काही उष्ट किंवा त्याला आपण लेफ्ट ओव्हर्स म्हणतो इंग्लिशमध्ये ते काही ठेवत नाही. का? कारण की अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म आहे हे आपल्या कल्चरमध्ये आहे. तिथली लोक काय म्हणतात की तुम्ही फुल खाल्लं की तुम्ही तुमच्या प्लेटमध्ये जेवण पूर्णपणे संपवलं याचा अर्थ तुम्ही स्वार्थी आहे. So, see, here we have a different region, religion, language, and culture. And so their behavior is different from others. Therefore, to understand others, first you need to understand yourself. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःची ओळख लक्षात घेऊन कार्य करता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही दुसऱ्याला चांगल्या प्रकारे समजून घेऊ शकता. It is impossible to understand others unless a person has understood himself or herself. म्हणजे काय जोपर्यंत तुम्ही स्वतःला जाणून घेत नाही स्वतःला समजून घेत नाही स्वतःबद्दल जास्त माहिती करून घेत नाही तोपर्यंत तुम्ही दुसऱ्याबद्दल जाणून घेऊ शकत नाही. See, we have a prejudice about other religions, other people. It means those who live in South India, they have a different approach towards us. It means दक्षिण भारतात जे लोक राहतात त्यांचा आपल्याबद्दल विचार करण्याचा दृष्टिकोन हा वेगळा असतो. आपण त्यांच्याबद्दल विचार करताना एक वेगळ्याच प्रकारचा विचार करतो. सो दिस इज द थिंकिंग ऑफ पीपल. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःबद्दल जास्त जाणून घेता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही दुसऱ्याला चांगल्या प्रकारे समजू शकता. हिअर इज वन पिक्चर. दिस इज कॅट, दिस इज टायगर. Now you have understood that how we can see ourselves. You are the creator of your own life. And also you can destroy your life if you take bad decisions. If you behave badly, it will ruin your life. RUIN, ruin म्हणजे उद्ध्वस्त करणे. मग हे तुम्ही तुमची लाईफ उद्ध्वस्त करू शकता. तुम्ही स्वतःला काय पाहता, तुमच्यामध्ये जो काही इसेन्स आहे, जो कोर आहे, तो किती महत्वाचा आहे. आणि हे सर्व पाहत असताना तुम्ही स्वतःकडे पाहता पाहता दुसऱ्या व्यक्तींकडे कशा प्रकारे पाहता, हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. If you want to live a happy life, you have to understood your own life first, and then you will think about others. You have to cope up with others. You have to understand others. Then and then only you will improve your personality. Now, you therefore need to discover and become your own true person, not what others perceive you to be, and also not who you believe you must be, but the person that you truly are. You may have watched Three Idiots movie. Yeah, in that Three Idiots movie, the so-called fathers, they wanted their son to become engineer, but one boy, one hero of Shivdasini, he wanted to become a photographer. But his father told him that you have to have a become engineer. म्हणजे काय की त्यामध्ये जे काही हिरो आहेत ते हिरो त्यांच्या मनामध्ये वेगळेच काहीतरी बनण्याची आशा होती. म्हणजे एकाला फोटोग्राफर बनायचं होतं. मग त्याचे वडील त्याला सांगतात की तू हे फोटोग्राफी मध्ये काही तुझं करिअर नाही, तुला इंजिनियर बनावे लागेल. ऍक्ट he took admission in engineering college and he was not happy with this new goal or with this new life. And finally, he became a photographer. He heard his own voice and became a wild photographer. म्हणजे काय की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःबद्दल जास्त शोधता त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला स्वतःची भेट घडते. म्हणजे काय, यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड युअर ओन ट्रू सेल्फ, not what others perceive you to be, and also not who you believe you must be. म्हणजे काय की तुम्हाला तुमचे आई वडील काय सांगतात की बाबा तू हे कर, हे करू नकोस. हा, एक गोष्ट आहे, आवर पॅरेंट्स wanted to be successful in your life. Their son has to be successful in their life, so they act accordingly. They are not enemy, they are the well wishers of our life. So you have to cope up with your family, you have to understand your parents. If you understand yourself and if you convince your parents, then they will understand you and they will act according to you. म्हणजे आई वडिलांना विश्वासात घेऊन ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही काम करता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही सक्सेसफुल बनू शकता, बिकॉज दे विल सपोर्ट यू. आणि ज्यावेळेस एखादा निर्णय तुमच्यावर थोपवला जातो त्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःला त्या गोष्टीतून बाहेर काढू शकत नाही. युअर मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ विल वीक. नाउ टू समराइज, knowing yourself is to know your true identity. The true self is the one created in the image of the creator, The true self is the one created in the image of the creator. So to know oneself is being true to oneself and living one's purpose. म्हणजे ज्या प्रकारे देवाने आपल्याला घडवलेलं आहे त्याच्या आयडियाप्रमाणे, त्याच्या इच्छेप्रमाणे, मग त्या इच्छेप्रमाणेच आपण जगलं पाहिजे. So to know oneself is being true to oneself. जर तुम्हाला स्वतःबद्दल जास्त जाणून घ्यायचं असेल तर तुम्ही स्वतः ते जाणून घेतलं पाहिजे. इट्स अ प्ले ऑफ वर्ड्स. शब्दांचा जरा थोडासा खेळ म्हटला तरी चालेल. म्हणजे काय, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतःबद्दल जास्त जाणून घेता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही स्वतः बदलता. मीन्स यू आर द क्रिएटर ऑफ युअर ओन लाईफ. नाउ सी, Franklin D. Roosevelt, the American, what he said: men and women are not prisoners of fate. स्त्री पुरुष हे ते त्यांच्या त्यांच्या नशिबामध्ये बांधले गेलेले नाहीत, but only prisoners of their own minds. म्हणजे काय की त्यांनी स्वतःलाच त्यांच्या त्या मनामध्ये बांधून घेतलेला आहे. We are the prisoners of our own life. It means that you don't believe yourself. That's why you are living a life in a prison. If you behave or if you act that my mind is free, I know myself, I can do this, then only you will improve your life, and then you will become a free bird. See, we have a different approach towards our life, and it will help you definitely. But you have to believe in yourself, then and then only you can become a successful. And if you do not, then you will be shackled in your own life. You will live a life of imprisonment. जर जोपर्यंत तुम्ही तुमच्या मनाला फ्री करत नाही, स्वतःबद्दल जाणून घेत नाही, तोपर्यंत तुम्ही स्वतःच्याच बांधलेल्या त्या तुरुंगामध्ये राहता. You have to have a destroy that prison built by your mind. Yeah, I can do this. I am better. You have to ask this question to yourself to improve your true identity. Now, we will discuss these points. Which points? If you know yourself, you will be able to know your strength and weaknesses. Subsequently, you will be able to remove your weak portion. You must know yourself in order to be useful to yourself and others. म्हणजे जे काही खाली दिलेले पॉइंट्स आहेत ते तुम्हाला स्वतःबद्दल जाणून घेण्यासाठी मदत करते. First is helps to control your emotions, helps to reach your goal, helps to reach better decision, helps to reach your goal, sorry, helps to reach better decision, helps to realize and improve your full potential, helps to experience happiness and joy. So these points will help you understand your true identity. And this point we will cover tomorrow. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.